29 March 2015, 9 years ago, there was an aircraft accident in Halifax. The Halifax accident was an aircraft accident that occurred on the night of 29 March 2015. There, Canada Airbase A320 was operating scheduled domestic flight AC-624 on the Toronto Halifax route. But when landing at its destination during heavy snowfall and fog and poor visibility, it crashed into the ground near the runway and was partially destroyed. All 138 people on board, 133 passengers and 5 crew members survived, but 26 of them were injured. The plane was partially destroyed, but the damage was assessed as a beyond repair and the airliner was written off.